Look forward to shaving your face with this quick, step-by-step guide. The Chairman Pro is made to work wet or dry, but for a more comfortable shave, we recommend spreading a light coat of Manscaped Power Shave Gel. You could apply Power Shave Gel to your face, or, pro tip, apply it directly to the blade for some self-lathering action. Now that you've prepped, press the power button to turn on the Chairman Pro. Pop on the magnetic attached blade head of your choice. The skin-safe 4-blade foil shaves up to 5 days of growth down to the skin. If you want to keep some stubble, the skin-safe stubble trimmer helps even out and shape your shadow. When you've figured out your look, gently glide the shaver across your face, making up and down movements. Repeat as often as needed until you're feeling your face. And as a final touch, you can use the precision blade to clean up your sideburns. Tilt the blade head at a 90-degree angle to take advantage of the long hair leveler, pressing gently against your skin. Move down and away from your hair as you would with clippers. When you're done, be kind to your cheeks and pat on some Face Shave Soother. The Chairman Pro from Manscaped.